Hello students, good morning. I am Ajit Kumar Shukla. Today is 1st April 2020. The day is Wednesday. As you all know that from today the new academic session should be start. But the time not only our country but also the whole world is facing a disease called COVID-19 due to coronavirus. It spreads from one to another. That is why our government has announced the lockdown till 14th April 2020. That is why I am here for my students who are in their homes and hope to be safe. Today I am starting with chapter number 1 of science for the students of class 9. Let's start our chapter. The lesson number 1 is matter in our surroundings. The first question is what is matter? Can we see the matter? This is a matter, or our books are matter, or our bottle is matter, tiffin box is matter. Can we say? Now let's see here. The definition of matter tells us that anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. It means हर वो चीज़ जो जगह घेरती है, स्थान लेती है और जिसमें मास होता है, मीन्स द्रव्यमान पाया जाता है, उसे हम मैटर कह सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल air, water, iron, oxygen, rock, etc. means anything which occupies space is known as matter. But there is a notable thing that friendship, love, good manner, thoughts, ideas, these are not called matter. Why? Why these are not matters? Because the friendship, love, good manners, these are not having mass, or these things does not occupies any kind of space. That is why these are not matter. Now the next topic is type of matter. The matter is differentiated between two types. Number one, on the basis of physical and chemical properties, the matter is divided into two parts. Number one, due to physical properties. Due to physical properties, the matter is further divided in three parts: solid, liquid, and gas. Now, due to chemical properties, the matter is divided into further 3 points: element, compound, and mixture. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about physical properties, and the further chapter we will learn about the chemical properties of matter. Now, let's see here. Number one, physical nature of matter. There is first point, matter is made up of particles. As we know that every matter is made up of very teeny particles. Everything around us is made up of teeny pieces is known as particles, which are actually atoms or molecules. It means the things which are made up of very teeny particles, these teeny particles are known as atoms or molecules. Okay. Now, these particles are too small to see with high power microscope. Means ये पार्टिकल्स इतने छोटे होते हैं कि इन्हें हम बहुत हाईली पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं देख सकते. Now, the characteristic of particle of matter. We will discuss about what is the characteristic, what are the characteristics of the particles of matter. Now, number one, the particles of matter are very small. The first characteristic of the particles are that these particles are very small, very tiny. Now, the second, the particles of matter are have space between them. It means the particles by which any matter made up, these particles having space between them. Now, the third characteristic is the particles of matter are constantly moving. It means the particles of matter always in the moving form. They never, वो कभी भी नहीं रुकते हैं. And then the fourth topic is the particle of matter attract each other. It means the particles of the matter having a attraction force between each other. Now, the topic of matter and the particles of matter is complete here. Now, tomorrow I will teach you further of this lesson. Thank you.